Ndipo kwenu?
Yeah.
America kwenu?
Yeah.
Indoji nilo nono wakwezonu.
Yeah.
What's going on, everybody? My name is ChukwunonsoCaptures. Ndebany, Amekelonu. Afamba ChukwunonsoCaptures, aka Mazi. Chakum, aka the digital makeup artist, and you're tuned in for another episode of the Igbo Name of the Day giveaway. And so you already know why we do this. Come on, say it with me. We do this to keep our tongues fluent, keep the language alive, and help our brothers and sisters in the diaspora continue to understand their roots. We're going to give them back their identity, starting with their names. All right, so let's give it up for Brian. That's right. Give it up for Brian. All right, thanks a lot, Brian, for sending in your name for today's Igbo Name of the Day giveaway. So I asked Brian to tell me more about himself, what he's all about. And he says that he has basically a common theme in his life is working hard and having all of his hard work paying off, and then it always leading to success. Everything that he's put his mind to and worked hard at has turned out to be successful. So I said, all right, the best Igbo name for you is Chibikem. Come on, say that with me. Chibikem. Good. Okay, so you ready to translate their name together? All right, cool. So Chi in this context means God. Bo means is, and Ike means strength. And then that M sound at the end, the M, the letter M signifies that you're talking about yourself. So it's literally translates into God is strength mine, right? Or God is my strength, okay? So the U is kind of silent if you say it the proper way. So it's not Chibuikem, it's Chibikem. You get it? So Chibikem meaning God is my strength. God is the person who gives Brian the strength to accomplish everything he sets his mind to. Chibikem. Chibikem's names give them the power to be diligent, ambitious, and also take pride in teaching other people what they're passionate about. Tag and share this video with all the Chibikems that you know. Thanks. All right, so what do you think? Did I get the translation right? Is that a fitting name for him? Let me know in the comment section down below. If you enjoyed watching this video, please like it. Likes are free. So are subscribes and comments. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Share this video with a friend who might be interested in Igbo Nigerian culture. And also hit the bell button to get a notification anytime I drop a new video. I love all of your support and all of your engagement on this YouTube channel. All of your support and likes and comments go a long way. They help the YouTube algorithm, so please continue to do that. If you would like your very own Igbo name, hit me up and I'll gift you one. My Instagram's in the description below. So hit me up and I'll give you an Igbo name based off of your personal characteristics. If you have an Igbo name, I'll feature your Igbo name on the next Igbo Name of the Day. All right, thanks. Take care, and I will see you in the next video.